Hey, thanks for stopping by 818 How To. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare spicy lentils. Enjoy.
Spicy lentils. Add 1 cup lentils in a pot. Also remember, lentils contain a boatload of starch. I prefer rinsing the lentils several times. Do this until the water appears less cloudy after the rinse. Also remember, 1 cup of lentils equals 2.5 cups of water. Add a pinch of salt and stir. Now add ginger and add garlic. You have a choice to add either chopped or powdered ginger and garlic. Stir well. You can also add a chopped tomato. I prefer using tomato ketchup as I like the tangy and sweet taste of tomato ketchup. And always ensure you stir when ingredients are added. Close the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes on simmer. After 10 minutes, open the lid and add the chopped onions. Cook for 5 minutes on simmer with the lid closed. Now add the daal masala. This step is optional. However, I like making my daal with this masala. If you'd like to try this masala, it is available at any Indian food store. As you see, I'm adding a tablespoon and a half of the seasoning mix. Stir again. Now add the chili powder. And now stir and place the lid and cook on simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid and give it a good stir for a minute, and your dal is now ready. Delicious, spicy, yellow lentils. Done.
And there you have it. Thanks for stopping by 818 How To. If you found this video useful, be sure to like this video and tons of DIY stuff coming up on this channel. There are tons of videos still in queue that need to be uploaded. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, this is Savio signing out and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.